Hey Jeff, so this is your Facebook page. I couldn't find a website for you. I don't think you have one. Looks like you're mainly on Facebook and word of mouth. Your Facebook's page looks all right. Got a fair amount of people that follow and like you. Anyways, I'm going to talk about Google and websites in this video. So we go to Google. You mentioned that you like showers and flooring for home improvements. So showers installer, New York City. This is Google guaranteed ads. Basically, you just have to get certified by Google. They're a little better ad when you're doing that. This is Google Map Pack. I'll talk about that later. But going down to this is organic ranking. Going down to your competitor and organic ranking, you got Taylor Group Plumbing. Looking at their website, they got quite a few words here, quite a lot of content. Google loves content, so that's helping them pretty good with their ranking. If you'll see, they got 1,823 words on their homepage. So you'd probably want to get 2,500 or 3,000 words to, beat them. Also, when you save pictures and images, you want to make sure you save them right. Tan, plumber, Bronx, plumbers, fire, sprinkler, inspection, boiler, repair. I would want to do like plumber, New York City, or if I'm specifically focusing on shower installation, shower installation New York City, or whatever keyword I want to rank for. I don't think many people are going to be plugging that in on Google to search for. So that helps you. You can beat them with that, as well as with content. The next thing is you want to go for backlinks. Go into Ahrefs, which is a cool tool. They have a $7 7-day trial you can get to do this. Backlinks. You want to go for backlinks. That is something basically Google for Google to trust you, as well as popularity, and it'll help you rank organically on Google for searches. You can go into the backlinks. You can go after the backlinks that they have. And remember, you don't want to go for every backlink. You don't want to go for spammy, zeros. You want to go for the higher number of backlinks, the good quality backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. You also, there's no follow. That means it's not helping you at all. It's just kind of more of a popularity. It's not going to give you a DR score. As another, going back to this homepage, you can see the keywords they rank for. It's another good spot to go to. If it loads, let's see. So this is what they're ranking for. This is what's giving them the most traffic, is sewer line replacement. It's not location specific to New York City, so they probably don't get a lot of sales from that. Maybe they do. But Manhattan Plumbing is their next one. They're ranked number 4. They get 10 people a day from that. 100 people search that a month. 10 people a month, sorry. 100 people search that a month. It's got a 7 KD. Not terrible to rank for, or not terrible to beat them in that. Manhattan Plumbers instead of plumbing, even easier to beat them in. And they get just about as much traffic in, as well as the volume's the same per month there. So going down, we want to find location-specific keywords that rank good. Easy KD, see this one, plumbers, Manhattan. It's got 40. Easy rank for 3 KD. It costs a little bit to spend your money on that one, but if you notice, this one, it's got just a little bit more traffic, a lot more expensive to go for, easy to rank for. And even this one, it's way cheaper, more traffic, easy to rank for as well. Basically the same thing. Going to be getting the same type of people that are going to come there. Anyways, so just go on here, find keywords you like. Good KD, good volume, and that's relative to what your services are and your location. We can also go back to Google and check out floor installation. Going down here, you notice ads again, and Google Map Pack, and your competition, hardwood flooring, Manhattan. Let's check them out. They have nothing for content, basically. which is good, easy to beat them. They got 570 words. So that means that, you can only need 1,000, 1,500 words, and you can beat them there. You can go as much content as you want. Google loves content. The more content, the better. I'm sure their images are not saved properly. Yeah, just video. That's not going to help you at all. It's probably the same for all these other ones. But plugging them into Ahrefs, you'll see their backlinks. That's why they're ranking so good. They got quite a bit of backlinks, quite a bit of different domains. So they go after their backlinks. You can come in here, go after their backlinks as well, and find other backlinks and beat them in their backlinks. Go to their keywords, see what they rank for. You'll notice they're number one in pretty much all these top. They're number two, and you can see what they're ranking for. Hardwood floor installation, New York City. 150 people search that. They get 21 of the traffic, and they're number two. It's got 11 KD, can be ranked for. Not too difficult. It's going to take a little bit, whereas this 44, it's going to take quite a bit of work to rank for. If you want to rank for wood floor, New York, which I don't know if you want to, I'd go after other stuff. Easier to rank for, and better volume, and better to get. Like, let's see, wood floor installation, New York City. It's hard to rank for, so probably not go for that, but it costs about $13 if you want to do ads for that. You can go for that. It's just going to be harder to go for. Where you can do hardwood flooring Manhattan, get roughly 30 people less volume a month, but the KD is so much easier. The cost for advertising so much easier. And if you notice, this guy, he only gets two less people from this. He is ranked number one versus number two there, which is going to matter as well. But you can go down here, find all that stuff. The next thing to talk about is the Google Map Pack, which, we scrolled past it, grabbing here. A lot of people go on the Google Map Pack they click there and go to their website from there. And I want to go to here. Plug them both into whitesparks.ca. And I might have plugged this guy in wrong or not. I don't know. He's got 0 citations, which is not that helpful for him. This guy's got 21, not a lot of citations. Really, you want to get 100, 200, even 300. You can go as many citations as you want. You can basically come in here, grab their citations that they have. Citations is, Yellow Pages, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere that has your phone number, your address, and your name. And Google Maps is free, easy to rank for, and basically citations is a big thing when it comes to Google Map Pack. So yeah, you're welcome to take any of the tips from this video, wherever you want. You're welcome to do it on your own, as well as you can grab some of the tools that I showed you, and it'll help you. But if you want, we can set up a Zoom call, and we can go talk about your business and see if you want my help and my services. But you're free to do whatever you want. And anyways, I hope you have a good rest of your day.